Hi guys, I am CJ and welcome to our channel. In this episode of How We Do It, we are going to talk about my task as a graphic designer and how graphic design is important for your business. There are countless benefits of graphic design in your business, like giving it a stronger identity, increase exposure to customers, and a lot more. Design covers from website to marketing materials. Now, I am going to share with you guys my tasks and responsibilities. One of the components of social media marketing is graphic design. A good content would not be noticed without a nice touch of visuals to attract people's attention. Learning the principles of design is the first step, and keeping up yourself with the latest trends. I actually studied and majored in multimedia, and I have been doing it for 3 years already. I also design presentation slides and do a nicer version of Word and PowerPoint slides, like when the company wants to promote their business to their future partners and clients. Choosing the right typeface, photo, and color is easy, but creating a harmonious design is a bit tricky. Consider also the marketing strategy you follow, whether it's business to business or business to customers, and that will change the mood of the design. That will be all. I hope this video gave you a glimpse of what graphic designers can do. If you are interested to grow your business using virtual staff, why not give our website a visit? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, click thumbs up and share it. Most importantly, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you will be notified with any new content on the channel. We'll see you next time.